This video, we are going to be going over lists. I'm going to be skipping a couple of sections and we're going to be going over lists. And in particular, we're going to be listing out the types of woods that we can use in buildings, in furniture, in structures. Trong cái video này, mình làm trong Python, làm cái lists, làm cái list cho mình hiểu mấy cái kiểu của cái cây trong trong cái nhà, trong cái building, trong cái furniture. It's those things I don't know how to say in Vietnamese, so I'm just going to speak in Vietglish, which is a combination of English and Vietnamese, and then that's going to be all mushed together. So, okay, so in this video, I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to create a name for this list, which is going to be wood underscore list equals, okay? And we're going to open the list by creating a bracket, two brackets, okay? Mình dùng cái bracket symbol cho open cái list. And the first item in the list would be, let's call it hardwood. Hardwood is a type of wood. The next is heartwood. Heartwood. I don't know how to say these in Vietnamese, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Okay, next is the cheapest kind of wood, plywood. Plywood. Okay, plywood. Okay, give me a second. I'm still reading through this book here. Okay, and then we have sapwood. Sapwood. Softwood. Excuse me. I need to learn how to record the screen and webcam at the same time. I think there's some software out there, such as Zoom and Camtasia. Softwood. Softwood lumber, rough lumber, worked lumber. There's lumber, rough lumber, and then there's worked lumber. Oh, I forgot the apostrophes. Worked lumber, softwood, old growth farmed wood, laminated veneer, metal stud. Let's see if there's any more over here. Hardwood lumber, veneer grades, typical plywood. Okay. Okay, so then let's save this. Save as list woods. This is an outside example. .py. Okay, and then we're gonna open it in idle. Okay, so wood list. We're gonna run this. We're gonna do print wood list. And then we have the different types of woods here. Hardwood, heartwood, plywood, sapwood, softwood. Okay, this is one word. I made a typo over here. Softwood, rough lumber. Let's try that again. Print wood list. Oops. Okay, this. There we go. Hardwood, heartwood, plywood, sapwood, softwood, one word. Rough lumber, worked lumber. Okay, so we're gonna go back in here and we're gonna go see what else there is. Wood types and characteristics. Wood types. Wood underscore types equals open bracket, close bracket, apostrophes. Ash. There is birch. There is butternut. There is cedar. There is chestnut. There is mahogany. There is maple. There is oak. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, there's plenty. Oak red, oak white, pecan. Pecan. Let's throw bamboo in there at the very end. There's pine. There's rosewood. There's teak. There's walnut. There's zebra wood. And then I'm just gonna throw in bamboo at the very end, just to, for the sake of throwing it in. Okay. And what do you know? Okay, so wood list and wood types. Okay, we're gonna run this again. Run. Print wood list. Oops, let's try that again. Typo. Gotta be careful. Print wood underscore list. Here's your list of woods. Print wood underscore types. And here's your types of, okay, ash, birch, butternut, cedar, chestnut, mahogany, maple, oak, pecan, pine, rosewood, teak, walnut, zebrawood, and then for fun, because this is in English and Vietnamese, we're doing bamboo. It's more of a weed than a wood. Okay, so anh nói tiếng Anh là ở trong cái list ở trong Python mình được list ra nhiều cái nhiều cái items cho mình list ra, giống như mình phải list ra nhiều đồ. We can do cây, mình được làm list của cây, hay list của electronic components, hay list của cái đồ ăn trái cây. You can list out fruits, you can list out electronic components, you can list out the types of woods there are, and the only thing that you need is a computer. Okay, so say you don't have the money or the materials to purchase all of these things to learn about or understand. If you have, at the very least, a cost-effective, affordable computer, such as the Raspberry Pi, then you're able to start working on Python and teach yourself how to program, how to work with automation, okay, etc. etc. So giống như mình không có đủ tiền cho mình học mấy cái ngành mắc tiền. Mình có cái computer hay máy tính là đủ rồi, tại vì mình cần cái máy computer hay laptop you cái Python program mình dạy mình, you can teach yourself, mình dạy mình program to write instructions, hay to write automation code, and you kiếm việc làm. You can find work. You can find work in this industry, in the software industry, or you can find work doing accountancy, because Python arithmetic. You can work as an accountant. You can You can calculate your own costs living at home. Um, there's so many possibilities. Um, Đủ kiểu, đủ kiểu, nhiều học lắm, học vui lắm. It's fun to learn. Okay, so I make it fun to learn, and then if you find it fun to learn, then that's great. Um, that's good for hiring. That's good for teaching. That's good for education in general. And I hope that you're able to learn about not just Python. I hope that you're able to learn about, in this example, the different types of woods there are, which uh, for example, in for example, in Christianity, learning how to work with wood is a basic skill. It's very important. Okay, so I don't know if there's wood in Vietnam, what type of wood there grows there. I know that there's bamboo. So work with what you have. Okay, so work with what you have. Okay, see you in the next lesson.